Today's learning target is I can find the value of a group of quarters, nickels, dimes, and pennies. For this activity, you will just need a whiteboard and a marker. Let's take a look. So we are going to count to find how much money is shown. Put the total amount in the speech bubble. So the way that we're going to do this is we are first going to label each coin with how much it is worth. So I see I have 2 quarters here, and I know a quarter is worth 25 cents. So I'm going to put my 25 on top of the coin. And then I've got 2 dimes here. The smallest coins are called dimes, and they're worth 10 cents. And then I've got 2 nickels here, and those are worth 5. So if I add my 2, let's start with the coin that is worth the most, and that would be the quarters. So if I add these 2 quarters together, I can count by 25s. 25, 50. All right. Now what I want to do is I am going to add on my 2 dimes. So that means I'm going to count by tens. So remember, this was 50. Now if I add on a 10, I get 60, 70. Okay. Now I just have my 2 nickels left. So I can count by 5s now. So from 70, I would go to 75, 80. All right, so the total is 80 cents. And you put the cent sign after the number. Okay, let's try another one. So first, let's look and see what is my largest coin. Which coin is worth the most here? Did you say dime? You're correct. The dime is worth 10 cents. And then I've got 2 nickels, and the nickels are worth 5 cents. And then I've got my pennies here. 1, 1, 1. So let's start with that dime because that's the one that's worth the most, and that's a 10. Now I'm going to add my nickels. So 10, and I'm going to count by 5s because the nickels are worth 5. 10, 15, 20. And now I count by 1s to add my pennies. 21, 22, 23. So my answer, the total is 23 cents. Now another way that you could write that is you could put your dollar sign first, and then your decimal point, and then your 23. That also means 23 cents. All right. Now, take out your whiteboards. You're going to do this one with me. So on your whiteboard, what I want you to do is I want you to draw the coins. And the way you're going to do that for this quarter is you'll draw a circle with a 25 in it. Okay? Then let's draw another quarter with a 25. Okay? Then you'll draw the 2 dimes. So that's 10 and 10. Okay, then we've got our nickels. They're worth 5, 5. And our 3 pennies. 1, 2, 3. So draw 3 circles with 1s in them. All right, it's time to count. Let's see, I'm going to grab a different color here. So, which coins will we start with? Which ones are worth the most? Did you say quarters? You're right. So 2 quarters makes 50 cents. Then we're going to move on to the dimes, and we're going to count by tens from 50. So 50, 60, 70. Now I'm going to switch over to my nickels. So I'm going to count by fives from 70. So 70, 75, 80. And now I just have my pennies left, and I'm going to count on by ones. So I left off at 80, 81, 82, 83. There we go. And you can write that. Oops. That's not what I meant to do. 83 cents. Okay, so you can write it either way, 83 with the cent sign, or you can start with the dollar sign and put the decimal point 83. All right, you give that a try now. Good luck.